In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Proforma invoice in QuickBooks. In QuickBooks Online, there isn't usually a separate option labeled Proforma Invoice, but the good news is that an estimate or quote serves the same purpose. It allows you to send your customer a document showing the expected products, services, pricing, and terms before creating the final invoice. Then, if the customer approves it or asks for changes, you can easily convert it into an invoice and make any needed edits. To get started, go to the Create button at the top left of QuickBooks Online and select Estimate. This opens the Estimate form, which is where you'll build your Proforma-style document. From here, enter all of the relevant details for the estimate or quote. Make sure you fill in the customer information, the products or services being offered, the quantities, the rates, and any other important details that should appear on the document. This step is important because the estimate should clearly reflect what you are proposing to the client. Once everything is entered, take a moment to review the information carefully. It's always a good idea to double-check pricing, descriptions, and totals before sending anything out, since this document helps set expectations for the customer. When you're satisfied with it, click Review and Send. This allows you to finalize the estimate and send it out in a professional format. After the estimate has been finalized, the next step is to convert it into an invoice when needed. To do that, go to All Apps on the left-hand side and select Customer Hub. In the Customer Hub, find the customer you sent the estimate to and click on their profile. This helps you quickly locate all transactions connected to that customer, including the estimate you just created. Next, click on the estimate itself. Once you open it, you'll have the option to convert it into an invoice. This is the step that turns your Proforma-style document into an actual bill that can be sent for payment. If the client requested any updates before approval, you can edit the invoice at this stage so the final version matches exactly what was agreed upon. And that's it. That's how you create a Proforma invoice in QuickBooks Online, by using an estimate and then converting it into an invoice. It's a simple workflow, but it keeps your billing process clear, professional, and flexible for both you and your customer.